Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automatically update departments by organization unit using xFanatical Foresight. In Google Workspace, organizational units and departments are used to categorize users, manage access controls, and enforce policies. As organizations grow, manually updating users' departments based on their use can be time-consuming and error-prone. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, IT admins can automate the process, ensuring the departments are accurately updated based on the organizational units, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of errors. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, the admin must first extract a list of users from Google Workspace. Once obtained, the list can be uploaded to the automation rule, enabling efficient updates of departments based on organizational units. The template is designed with two rules to simplify and streamline the organizational unit update based on departments. Rule 1. This rule exports all the users into a CSV file with the latest user details, including the user's primary email, first name, last name, and organizational unit path. Rule 2. This rule utilizes the edited CSV file from Rule 1 and updates the department information for each user based on their organizational unit path. Rule 1. Export users' organizational unit information. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Update Department Information by Users' Organizational Units and click on it. In the Bulk Update Department Information by Users' Organizational Units page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Users' Organizational Unit Information will display. Click Next. No configurations required. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Bulk Update Department Information by Users' Organizational Units. In the Bulk Update Department Information by Users' Organizational Units page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next. In the If screen, rename each branch according to the organizational unit. In the Add Condition field, select Organizational Unit Path as the field, choose Text starts with as the operator, and enter the matching OU path as the value for each branch. In the Add Next Action field, select the Update Employee Department action to update the department according to the OU path for each branch. Click on Update Employee Department action. In the Update Employee Department screen, in Department field, select the desired department mapped to the organizational unit. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk update of departments in Google Workspace based on organizational unit paths. Go to the Rules page. First, click the Play button of Export Users' Organizational Unit Information rule to generate a CSV file containing the latest details of all users. Wait until you receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, download the CSV file from the Rule History section. Edit the CSV file according to the information that needs to be updated. Go back to the Rules page. Click on the Uploaded icon and upload downloaded CSV file to the Bulk Update Department Information by Users' Organizational Units rule. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify that the user's department has been successfully updated by the automation rule. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.